Yo, what's up, guys? We're back out. We got Traxxas Maxx. I got new soldering on there, nice and neat. And we got the Traxxas Mini Maxx. So my sister will be driving this one. It's only gotten one use on it so far. So we're still trying to see how good the car is. But we're thinking about maybe putting a wide max on it, make it a little bit wider. All right, let me get some batteries in there, and we'll get back out. All right, we're back out. Let's get her going. Not as graceful. Still getting a little feel for the Mini Maxx. Nope. Put that back up. There shouldn't be too much snow, so we should be able to get up on there. I wonder, can I drive it up? Nope. We're gonna take her, give her a boost. Oh, there may be a little. No, we're good. Ugh. Woo! Just get it. Once you lay it up on the snow, yours should just float over it. I gotta give her a boost up onto it. No. It's not as deep out farther out. No, don't throw it. Boost it. You want it to glide. See, there you go. There you go. Whoop. Snow's always a little fun. You can get a little donuts.
I really like them.
Dang it. That is a little annoying. Once you, some of this snow, once you start sinking, you ain't gonna get back out of it. Oh, I kind of forgot. I kind of stayed on the throttle the whole time, and I just drove it. Whoop. Went down to some snow. Steering. We're good. Give me a boost.
What?
I said, give me a boost. Let me get a little launch sequence.
Oh, I'm cold.
I don't know if you guys can see that, but I just got soaked. Yeah. Ugh. There you go.
Thank you.
Now can you boost me? Let's see. Get a 2x zoom. It's not a. Only one can be boosted. Here, let's go down the road a little bit. Mine is significantly heavier. All right, let's go. These trucks are great. Go. We can hit the dunes. Excuse me, coming through. Big Maxx coming through. Whoop.
Tried to ram me.
Let me just don't. I wouldn't hit me because I think you're gonna take the worst end of that. Here, let me. There she got the front stand. There we go. You're probably gonna take the worst end. So get a wheelie going. Oh.
I can't do it in this line.
Maybe have to get a bigger ESC in there. Might go faster. Get the 3S upgraded system. We'll check the price on that. Maybe we could do something like that. Man, I don't know if it has something to do with the new solder or something, but it feels way more punchy. Like, I don't know if you guys saw last video, but I don't think it was doing this many good wheelies. Like, this thing just goes right up. Like, watch.
It's been 10 seconds and it's already so
Yep. Bang, you see that? Even with belted tires, it can still get up on its roof. Oh. Oh, look, he's already beat us down a little path. What a guy. Let's get a little front-facing wheelie. Oh. Or landed on its roof, that works too. An unrelated note, I have saddle soap and Bic 4 conditioner coming from my ostrich boots. I'm totally unrelated. Whoop! I'm doing cartwheels. Back on wheels though. Here, I'll give you a boost. Was that a good boost? Nothing, I don't think.
What did I do to it?
I think one of your body things came off. Ah, it did. I've never seen that before.
Oh no.
Here, hold the camera.
Can you turn the remote off?
Film this. It's alright, it won't stop you from running it.
Oh, okay. What did I do to it though? Oh, I see the clip came off.
Yeah.
Oops.
I'm not really sure. Oh yeah, it just broke off.
How do I put it back on?
We'll glue it for now. Keep that in your pocket. Here, I probably got to the pocket. So you do.
Oh yeah, you do.
Make sure you're filming this too. Make sure you're getting it all. Oh, cart. Hey, my controller.
Really? It's in the middle of the road, so I just
See?
panicked.
The
Oh
little
yeah.
clip broke off there.
Yeah.
What?
Oh, I panicked. Yeah.
No, this is time 2.
Alright, second time. Get my RC car for it. It's both of us.
There you go.
1 and 2.
You're good. You're back.
There you go.
Come on. Alright. No, we're really kind of just going around. Watch this. Now! Oh! Oh! You good? Oh! I was driving here. I'm getting up on this.
I don't want to be rammed. I haven't rammed. That's the second time it's rammed me.
Oh. Oh yeah, you should launch yours off that. That's not a bad jump actually. Because it's not. Go, go, go! Atta boy. It's a good brace over there. The snowbank, it absorbs the car pretty good. This thing's a beast. Whee! Yeah. Oh. The new one doesn't go nearly as fast. And it's not meant for doing jumps and stuff.
Oh, I think I got stuck. Alright. Oh, no. Whee! Nope. Gina just give me a boost. That's not what I meant by boost.
Sorry.
You can get ghost stuck.
There you go. Oh,
That's
you may have to go flip it yourself. Not very long.
20 minutes
We basically were out, yeah, probably 10 minutes, yeah.
maybe? 10 to 20 minutes.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
I gotta go flip on over.
When to go back and saving this controller.
What?
Let me guys know in the comments, you like 0.6 zoom or 1x zoom? I'll leave it with 0.6 for now. Yeah, look, I got a phone mount.
Where'd you get that at?
I 3D printed it. Well, Wes 3D printed it technically, and then I have alien tape on the bottom which holds my phone, so you can film and drive at the same time. Watch this. Oh, do you need more? There we go. Up, around.
All right now, don't jump it. Knock the road.
I'm gonna see what happens if I hold brakes next time. Maybe it'll not hit the snowbank.
I guess the difference, Haley, is I guess yours is on half as big a bunker, because I guess you won't go. Have you got the two beat up yet that were the race ones?
No, they're still good. We like those ones. They're fun because we use them indoors. Because they're the perfect size. Stop running me over. You don't mean to. It looks like you do because I'm not moving.
I guess she doesn't have the control yet. Hey.
That is true. I'll move.
So did you do your Halloween? Did you do your
Oh!
thing?
She's doing that when we come back up.
What?
You loved yours, right, Hunter?
Yeah. Move. I'm coming through. Look, I got snow on the front of my car. Full speed.
Whoa.
Look at that. You see how perfect that was?
I don't know how perfect it was. You're filling my driveway with snow.
And my car. Look at it. Watch. Full speed. Oh, see how I went on top of it that time? I gotta adjust this. Hold it together and then crank on that. See, you can just go full throttle all the time. Hello, my name is Snow.
Well, I guess the good news then is you must be pretty happy that man took the car to church.
Yeah, it's great. I got loads of space, time. I can do donuts. You see this? And then if I...
Hey!
Oh,
Oh,
you almost got yours again, Haley.
I think that's right. How to stop the car for a sec?
Haley's is half the speed, runs on half the power. Mine is 4S, hers is 2S.
Why is it still going? Oh.
You're pressing on the...
Yeah.
You're pressing on the trigger.
Snow got in between the things, so it's holding it down. No.
I'm giving yours a boost.
What the?
Car crusher.
You've got the same body.
Yeah, that's why Haley picked this one, is because she wanted the exact same color I have.
Oh, it's the same color he has, so it can be like green.
Well, then you needed to get the one he got if you want that.
Yeah, but I want mine to be smaller.
No, she just didn't want to ask for something so expensive.
Fair. That's also why.
You didn't want to spend the money you don't mind asking for. Is that your problem? Is that your issue?
Haley's very considerate of your money.
Yeah, if you have money.
It's a good thing that somebody is considerate of it. Hey,
Because, Just ball it. I'm so weird.
Watch this. Let's do a speed run. I'm gonna go down.
You do what you want to do, hey? We're not likely to destroy this
Gotta adjust my steering wheel.
battery life.
Probably not 2 hours. Probably 45 minutes to an hour. Probably depends. It probably won't last very long like this because when I'm out on the snow, I'm basically full throttle the whole time.
With Haley's would probably
Yeah, but it also runs on a smaller battery.
Yeah. His battery is like that big. Mine's that big.
Oh, you see that wheelie there?
His
Haley did a wheelie.
I did?
Yeah, he had a little wheelie going. Oh, I didn't mean to go that way. No, not that way either. I think I can make it up onto the grass, off the snowbank.
Oh, damn. Oh, I almost did it.
I gotta go on. Gotta get myself unstuck again. Ugh.
I'm using this black zone.
What?
So it's just coming over here. Because as you can tell, that's where we've been ripping. And it's coming over to the side of it. So. Whee!
Front flip.
Not again. Okay, I'm gonna let Hunter. Alright.
Oh, reverse donuts. I just hold the reverse down. See, when you land them like nice, they're actually surprisingly durable. Now, when you land it when you land it going up in the air and then you hit one corner real hard on the pavement, well, then it probably's gonna break. But when you land them like on all four, they're usually pretty durable. Unless you go really, really, really
Other than
high.
I landed on 2 of them. And
Oh,
we need a little bit of a glue situation when we get home.
Is it gonna come out? Yeah.
Me and Hunter are gonna have a little glue fest when we get home.
Glue for that.
now then one of her body mounts on the inside is off.
Basically what happens with mine is you use those.
Those
and you
clip
click
into
it,
something on the actual car,
and you can unclick it, and that's how you get the body off. But you just glue that back together. And
but it still doesn't affect the running at all.
I hit it on like one wheel and onto the body.
Whee! Oh,
Then piece flew off.
So you said Jack White got the exact same one you got?
he has the same car I have, except he doesn't have the upgrades. He has the same tires. He has the upgraded tires, the belted ones. He doesn't have the ESC
Go
upgrade.
Solo! Oh,
Haley, get a speed run going, or I can speed run it. Your choice. Watch it, coming through.
Make sure the car is, that's all, Haley.
Get a speed run going. Now it's not full battery right now, because obviously we've been going.
How far can it go anyway?
Surprisingly far.
I don't want to test it any more than that though, because there are.
Well, I guess the beauty of it is if we takes it over to Belle in the summer, you can run it on the airport Traxxas. That's a quarter of a mile long and actually see how far you can run.
Let me see. Can I speed run yours real quick? Film
The
this.
thing is, I
Film
can't.
this.
And where you got both, and last time we only had one, so it was a pain.
Dang, that's going fast. Oh, you want me to go fix it?
No, I'm good.
Alright, we're good.
Alright, switch.
That's where your dad made the jump. I guess if he gets over that.
I gotta go. Flip mine back to wheels.
That's like the guy I seen running in Indianapolis the time I told you about. He turned his vehicle over like that, and where it's open wheel race, 200 miles an hour. He's a very lucky man. When the car finally stopped, there was only the sponge inside of their helmet. So that's what saved them. Having these skulls.
That's the best jump.
Battery. Should be able to go full throttle in the snow.
Yeah, you're running low on battery, I think. Alright, that's gonna be it for this video. A little bit of fun just out in the bash. I'll update you guys if anything's broken because my phone's running out of space, so I gotta end it. Alright, coming in. And I'll see you in the next one. Alright, peace.